We never like dividing in mathematics. The opposite divide by y is to multiply the full equation 3 by y. There, from the left-hand side, y times y will give us y squared. I know that multiplying and dividing by y, they're the opposites, so they'll cancel, hence will leave us with negative 10. And on the right-hand side, 9 times y will give us 9y. As I always want my quadratic to equal to 0, I need to bring the 9y across to the left by doing the opposite. Opposite of add 9y is subtract 9y from both sides. Now on the left-hand side, therefore, I have y squared. I have the negative 9y that's come across, and I have minus 10. And on the right-hand side, I know 9y take away 9y will cancel to give us 0. Factorising my quadratic, as I have 3 terms, I know it's going to factorise into what we call double brackets, and it's going to equal to 0. As it starts y squared, each bracket starts with a single y. My rule is I need to find 2 numbers that multiply to give us the number term, in this case negative 10, and the same 2 numbers must still add to give us the number in front of the single letter, which in this case is negative 9. The only way to get a negative number when multiplying is to have one positive and one negative. Here the only factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. The only pair that multiply to give us negative 10 and add together to give us negative 9, in this case is going to be plus 1 and minus 10. As I'm now solving for y, I need to put each single bracket equal to 0. Hence I'm going to have y plus 1 equals to 0. And I'm also going to have y minus 10 equals to 0. Solving for y, the opposite of plus 1 is subtract 1 from both sides. I know plus 1 and minus 1, they're the opposite, they'll cancel to leave us with y. And 0 take away 1 gives you negative 1. That's one solution. Here the opposite of minus 10 is to add 10 to both sides. I know negative 10 add 10 will cancel to leave us with y. And 0 add 10 gives us 10. Hence my 2 solutions is y equals negative 1 and y equals 10.